like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit.
I'm starting applying an eyeshadow primer all over my eyelid.
Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Now I'm using a cream color eyeshadow as my brow bone highlight. With an angled brush and a brown eyeshadow, I'm sketching out my cat eye design.
Burning the bridge that keeps us.
With a super fluffy crease brush, I'm applying my first transition shade, this matte yellow, all around my design.
I must conclude, I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see.
With a smaller blending brush, I'm applying a creamsicle all around my design as well.
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
With a smaller brush, I'm applying this chocolate eyeshadow again all around my design. With an angled brush and the same eyeshadow, I'm creating detail. Same brushes, same things with a darker brown eyeshadow.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted.
And now I'm deepening up everything with a black eyeshadow.
Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Now with a concealer and a tiny lip brush, I'm cleaning up the cut crease. Using exactly the same eyeshadows, I'm creating a small smoky eye on my lid.
I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are.
With an angled brush and the black eyeshadow, I'm creating an eyeliner, sort of. As my inner corner highlight, I'm using the same yellow eyeshadow I used previously, and duochrome highlight by Zoeva. This palette was a gift by my BFF Claudia Chiaroscuro.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through.
Of course, I want a super nude lipstick, so I'm using a Lip Velvet by Burberry, and on top Vernis à Lèvres by YSL for a glossy finish.
My mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent. Fearless.
So that's the final look. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. This was inspired / copied by an amazing artist, shine.shadows on Instagram, so you better check him out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.